Hi ma'am, good evening ma'am. Ma'am, this is Murtaza from Hubli ma'am. Yes ma'am, I already told you the English Partner platform is a wonderful platform. Before I joined here, I have faced so many problems in my life, because whenever I go go to interview, so I have faced so many problems. And whenever customer comes to my stores, so how to handle with them and how to speak with them, so I faced this problem now. So after that I joined English Partner, I got more confidence. So I have to say one thing everyone, if you choose once English Partner, you can get more confidence and you can understand easily every sentence. And every day you can, if you have doubts in teaching classes, so trainers will help you and immediately they sort it. So I have to say every trainers and Chaitra ma'am, so your teaching is very well and easily understand everyone. And if you you once you when you say English sentence and after that you translate it into Kannada, so everyone can easily understand ma'am. So this is a very wonderful ma'am. So thank you English Partner, and thank you Chetan and all trainers.